Here we're going to do a quick walkthrough of adding a leaf, which is publishing content. So if we click on add a leaf, and I'm already signed in, so now it brings me to search my Google Drive, or I get my Google Drive kind of shown here. So this is a test account, so I don't have a lot of content, so I'm just going to pick anything. It's going to ask you to confirm that that's the one you want to pick. It's going to pull the title from what the file is, and you can edit that. So I'm just going to call this test. You can add tags, so I'm just going to call this a test. You can put an enter after each tag, so sample. There's two examples. The resource type, you have 4 options. If you pick education, you get a standards and grade options. If you pick a different resource type like business, those options don't appear. Both those fields are optional. For a short description, you do have to type something here. So this is a test leaf. And then a long description is something you can fill out later, or you can fill it out now. It will let you put in links to other websites or relevant information. And then the final one, you have a couple options on price. So if you want to charge $2 or some amount like that, you can pick copyrighted content and charge any price you like. If you go to collaborative, this is a version of Creative Commons, and that has to be free. And then you also have the Creative Commons options. And if you haven't seen this, we have some links to the Creative Commons website, but we do support all the different Creative Commons options to publish. So for right now, the safest one is do a copyrighted, and you can pick copyrighted can be free or for a price. You can always change from copyrighted to the other two more open options later. So I'm going to do that. And then once it's done, you can go ahead and view the leaf you published. You can share it on social media, and that is it. So, and then you have a URL. You can also copy the leaf URL. So that's it. You also can see the leaf you published under leaves. You have purchased and published. So if you go to published, we should see that same leaf we just added. And here you'll have the options to remove the leaf if at some point in the future you decide you don't want to publish that leaf, as well as the option to add preview images, to update any of the tags, and to add things like standards or grade, and change that long description. You can also change how you did the copywriting on that one. That's it.